Welcome back to this video. In my last video, I showed us some of the things that we ought to look out for before buying, before making purchases. I tried explaining the interface of this 1688 and we've reached here. Please do watch that video or rewatch it if you are still confused. Now, moving forward, I want to show us how to copy link. Like you've decided, you've checked everything and you say this store is a good one and I want to buy from this store. How do you go about it? But before that, there is something else I want to show us, and that is also very important. That is reviews. Product review, a comment from previous buyers, those that have made purchase from that particular store. What are they saying about this product? What are they saying? That is very important. So you look at this, I'm still in this store, from the store I used to make in the previous videos. So I'm still in this store and I want to show us the reviews of this particular shoe. These ladies are here. Let's see what other previous buyers are saying about it. So just scroll down. After specification, you see product properties. Then the next thing is product review. This product has about 5,600 plus reviews. So we want to know what they are actually saying. So this L5 is saying fast delivery, excellent price, no odor, standard style, bleaching service, satisfactory, praise, blah blah blah. But let's see more. Let's see more, because in some of these review places, you can see a store actually rating themselves, like, I produce this thing, I will go back and comment and rate myself. I look at these 5 stars. Don't look at them. Don't look at these 5 stars you are seeing. The thing don't even move me. I want to know actually what these people that bought before are saying before I choose, okay, let me give it a try. So how do I know what they are saying? Because I can't translate this. Look at this here. I can't translate from here. I can't. Usually what I normally do is to copy these things, just copy them out, copy from A to Z. Then after copying them, I will go to my Google Translate and see what they are saying. But for some time now, I haven't been able to copy anything. I don't know, maybe they've also changed that one too. But there's still a way. I translate this thing. That is using High Dictionary. Let me show us. Okay guys, here we are. I'm trying to show us how to translate this review so as we will be able to know what the previous buyers are saying. I made mention of using High Dictionary. Yes, you can use High Dictionary to translate this website or even the app. But the truth is, you can't use High Dictionary to translate these reviews. So we'll be making use of another app, and that app is Photo Translator app. How does it work? The only thing you have to do first is to screenshot all these comments here. So we screenshot them. I will not screenshot everything here, but during your own time, you try as much as possible to screenshot as much as you can, please, so as you know what these people are saying. You don't just judge using these 5 stars here. So after doing that, just minimize, go to your Play Store or your App Store, anywhere you are using. Me, I'm going to my Play Store and I want to show us this Photo Translator app, the interface, so you will be able to know the one when you see it. Go to your photo translator, go to your Play Store please, or your App Store. Let's allow this to load. Yes, this is it. Photo translator app, this is it. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to translate that my screenshots for us to be able to know what the previous buyers are saying. But the thing is, this app contains ads and we are using it the free version, so they will try to frustrate us via their adverts, so we have to be patient. Don't mind them saying this, you are going to subscribe this or that. Whenever they talk about money, please don't mind them. We are going to use it for free whether they like it or not. So let's wait for it to load. And at times you can't use, there are some times you can't make use of it due to the time they give out for their free trial. All you need to do is to wait. This is it, it has opened, and like I said before, you can only use this app, the free version, 3 times in a day. Once after that 3 times, you will wait till the next day. So for us to translate the screenshot we've taken from 1688, you tap at your left hand side, you see this block and L shape. Just tap on it, it will take you to your gallery. It will take us to, yes, my gallery is loading now. Okay, this is the screenshot. Yes, I'll select the first one to translate. Click on translate. It's translating now. Just hold on. Okay, it says the customer response is very good, the quality is good, very sexy and beautiful. The second says the customer response is good, the quality good and beautiful. Okay, the third, customer response is good, beautiful, sexy and good quality. Wow, so this is actually a good store to buy from. Let's see. Customer response is good, beautiful, sexy and good quality. The last says customer response is good, beautiful, sexy and good quality. This is the same person saying the same thing over and over again. This is the same person saying the same thing. It means this is a regular customer, that this person is buying from this store always. That's what it means. Let's get another screenshot. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, it says good old customer. The next one, okay. Now you see that thing I said, I made mention before. This person giving 1 star. These two last people, they are giving 1 star. They said, I usually seldom give bad review and send the wrong item, and the style of the shoes completely different. This is another thing I want to talk on. Let me emphasize this. You know, the thing is, you will never ever please everybody. You cannot please everybody. Even in this my teachings, I will never please all of you. Few or some will still ask for my head. So the thing is, when you click on this review, when you check on them, just make sure that a very good, or how do I make you understand this? Just make sure that the number of people that are rating the stores high are larger than the ones saying it's not good. You understand what I'm saying now? That is, the people saying this is good quality, this is a good store, what I receive is what I ordered, that their number are greater than the ones saying this is bad. That means the store is good. Look at this. There have been so many people rating this store high. Just few people are saying it is bad. That do not actually mean that the store is bad. Okay, you can still go ahead and purchase. For this store, I'm seeing is really a nice one. So after you must have done this thing, you must have translated the reviews and you see that this is a good store to buy from. Now, how do you proceed? What else will you now do from this? That's the purpose of this video. You copy this link and send to your procurement agent. Remember, I'm showing us how to buy with agent. So after buying with agent, after this my video on how to purchase with agent, we are now going to enter on how to buy without agent. But for the purpose of this video, how to proceed or to buy with agent, the next thing to do is to copy the link of this store. I will copy the link of this store and I will show us how to arrange it and send to our procurement agent in my WhatsApp group. I will also leave the contacts of the procurement agents that are very reliable. So follow me, let me show us how I will copy the link of this particular store. Now we are back to this particular store. This is the store that we screenshot the reviews. This is it. So this is the store. This is the store. We are now back to the store where we screenshot the reviews. Yes, this is that particular store. Now, how do we copy the link and send to our procurement agent? It's very simple. Just tap here. This is my search bar. This is my search button up. This, you can see m.1688.com/. Yes, just tap on it. You can see where I'm about to tap now. This, after I press my search button, this 300 - 1 high here, then you see a share button. The second one is copy and the third one is edit. Just tap the middle one, URL copy. This is how you copy your URL. Then you paste it somewhere. You just copy the link now, and we paste it somewhere. Maybe I do normally create a WhatsApp group where I paste the link I copied. So I will now arrange them and send directly to my procurement agent. I will show you how to arrange them so as you don't make any mistake. So we're talking about importation without agent. See you in my next video.